What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. It's garage talk time. I'm running a little bit behind. I shot down to Portland for a couple of days on business, so I did shoot a video. I was a little under the weather when I shot the video. I don't know if I'll post it or not, but here we are. So we are challenging ourselves with dropping 3 videos a week. We were doing 2 for a while. Now we're going to up it to 3. We'll throw in installs, we'll throw in news, and then we'll throw in reviews. And of course, we'll drop just the standard garage talk where I'm BSing about whatever. With the parts, we do have some C7 parts, C7 carbon. We got some ACS composites, and I got a part from Mag Performance. So I'm super excited. And you guys are going to want to stay tuned, because not only am I doing installs on all of this stuff, I did not grab it, but it'll come out in the next few videos. I'll start talking about it on how to do it. If you guys haven't seen, I did a gauge overlay video putting new gauges in the Camaro. And what I'm gonna do is, working with All-Star Designs and all of those guys, we tweaked the design that I originally installed in here. So I've got to reinstall that, in which will come, but I have an extra set of white gauge overlays. I'll show you guys in the next Garage Talk video that I will be giving away. So from now until that video, until I announce, or I'll show you, actually I'll show you guys and then I'll figure out how I want to do the giveaway. Make sure to share and subscribe here at the Wrenched Out Garage. So we're going to give those away completely free. So I'm super excited to be able to do that. I am super stoked about being in, doing some badass installs and showing you guys kind of some options that you guys can do to your Camaro and so much more. And of course, we've got the new vehicle, which I'm also super excited. So we got a lot of new stuff rolling out here on the Wrenched Out Garage on YouTube. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Instagram, I drop a lot of photos, try to do it every day. So you'll see new photos of the Camaro. You'll see new photos of the V-Rod, garage, parts, so forth and so on. So make sure and get at us at Wrenched Out Garage. That pretty much wraps us up. This is a day of shoot, so I didn't have a lot of stuff planned. I am gonna get in here, finish cleaning up. I gotta get ready to shoot another install video, so I'll have quite a few of those coming out here in the near future. So you guys are gonna wanna definitely subscribe to the channel. We drop, again, we're going for the big 3 every single week. Most of it's probably gonna be garage talk. I'll do installs as I get parts, and as I have the ability to do them. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to check out C7 Carbon, ACS Composites, Mag Performance, all of those guys. Those are some great companies that I've been working with. I'll put links to all of their stuff down below. Make sure to check them out. And that was not a paid advertisement. That was not a paid advertisement. I just said that. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bow.